What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to teach you how to change your default browser. So like on Windows, you know your default browser is Microsoft Edge, and I really don't like it. So go ahead and download whatever browser you want to be the default, and then go over here and type in your search, type in Edge, then right click it and click App Settings. And then, let's see, you want to scroll down, and where it says Defaults, click on Set Default Apps, scroll down some more, and then where it says Web Browser right here, it will normally say Internet Explorer or whatever it was, or Microsoft Edge. So then you click on the one that you downloaded, and then you're good to go. And then also, if you don't want that annoying thing down here, you probably already know how to do this, but I don't like this clutter down here, so you can just right click it and you can get that thing to disappear and put unpin from taskbar and watch it disappear here in a minute. Alright. I had to close the window. So now it's disappeared. And also, if you just want to pin whatever it is, you go over to your browser, right click it, and then put let's see, pin to taskbar. Normally that's what I'll say. So you're welcome. Please subscribe if you want more videos or whatever. I'll still make them anyway, but it helps. Turn on that little notification bell. I sound like such a YouTuber. And I'll have more videos coming out. And wish me luck. I'm about to take my math final, so that's why I'm speeding through this video. It's over the whole semester, so